Hello, online entrepreneurs and aspiring digital earners. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of online income opportunities. Today, we've got something exciting to share: absolute online earning methods. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, work from home, or build a full-fledged online career, we've got you covered. So, grab your notepad because we're diving deep into the most reliable methods to make money online. Number 1. Freelancing freedom. Our first method, freelancing, offers you the freedom to work on projects you're passionate about. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer connect skilled individuals with businesses seeking their expertise. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, freelancing can turn your skills into a lucrative online income. Number 2. Dazzling with dropshipping. Ever dreamed of running your own on-store without stocking inventory? Enter dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, you can set up an e-commerce store and partner with suppliers to handle product storage and shipping. Your job? Marketing and customer service. It's a low-risk way to start your own online business. Number 3. Marvelous with microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy online earnings, microtask platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker are perfect. These platforms pay you for completing small tasks, such as data entry, surveys, or content moderation. While they may not make you rich, they're a fantastic way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Number 4. A treasure in teaching. Do you have knowledge to share? The world of online teaching might be your gold mine. Websites like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses. Whether it's a language, a skill, or your expertise in a specific field, teaching online can be highly profitable. Number 5. Monetize with YouTube. YouTube isn't just for cat videos, it's also a platform for making money. Content creators can monetize their channels through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. Building an audience takes time, but with dedication and engaging content, YouTube can become a lucrative online income source. Number 6. Affiliate marketing mastery. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are some popular affiliate programs. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a substantial income stream. Number 7. The power of print on demand. Have an eye for design? Print-on-demand platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to create custom designs for apparel, accessories, and more. When a customer makes a purchase, the platform handles production and shipping, leaving you with a share of the profits. There you have it, absolute online earning methods. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or aspiring entrepreneur, the digital landscape offers countless opportunities to make money online. It's important to remember that success often requires dedication, learning, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. So, which method piqued your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more online earning tips and tricks. Until next time, happy